Good morning, guys. We are just getting ready to go tubing. We got some ski pants at Value Village the other day because none of us have ski pants. And we're dressing in layers. So this should be fun. It's at Winsport, which is like the place that where the Olympics were in Calgary all those many years ago. I didn't put my sweatshirt on. I'll put that on after. It's too hot. So yeah, so we're gonna go do that. So we'll bring you with us. So they've got a ramp that takes you up. And there's the hills. It's like potato sacks. And we've got skiers. A whole bunch of stuff going on here. Bryn's hands were really cold, so we had to get some Hot Pocket things to put in her mittens. We got choppers. Hopefully they're not coming for somebody. This is tiring, kind of staying here. There's so many clothes on. Oh my god. There's people up at the top of each thing helping. Here comes Kerrigan. This is Bryn walking here. Kerrigan's coming down the hill. Bryn, you have to keep coming in. You can go down in groups. The three of us have gone down together. The last three, look, you can get them to spin you. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 or 10 runs. And the three at the far, like way over there, have hills. Oh, geez, we're stopping again. Oof. You gotta stand like this, brace for impact. Goes Kerrigan. Oh my god. For the one that didn't even want to do this. Oh my god. It's a lot longer than when we first got here. We have from 12:30 to 2:30. It's about, I think, 20 after 1 or so now. It's busy. Alright. Here comes Bryn! They're playing 80s tunes. My mask is soaked. I had to take my glasses off. I can't see. And my eyelashes are frozen. I'm so hot. We're doing one last run. Oh my god, I'm so tired. There was a whole bunch of people here earlier, and now it's like died right down. So it's about 20 after 2. This is our last run. I would love to try to videotape going down. I don't know. We'll see.
Perfect. We're gonna go spin a little bit. Awesome. So for me to do that, I'm gonna use the handle. Alright.
Oh my god, no.
Nice. All right, ready? Can I use your handle to spin you around? 3, 2, 1.
No spin for me.
No spin?
No spin.
Hooray, then. It's all good. Right and straight.
Thank you. That was fun. I finished there at 2:27. Oh, it was a good day. Hot and tired, but it was a good day.